moment. I know what I did. Yeah. And I'm not sitting here blaming anybody else. No. I'm not feeling sorry for myself either. Yo, I listen to this beat, it makes me think of what I've been through. All of the mistakes and stupid shit that I got into. All the fucking fakeness of people that I made friends with. So 98% of those friendships I had to end it. I'm too old to be worried and keep pretending. And I apologize to some of the people deeply offended. But I can't live in the past, that shit just wears me down. That shit just tears me up inside and fucking tears me down. I'm not the man I was then, but I am not running. And I am not yet the man that I am still becoming. I'm getting stronger every day and I can fucking feel it. And all the problems of my past one day I'm gonna deal with. Thanks for your patience, I apologize for each occurrence. And I just hope that you can take this as some reassurance. My life is good, each day is better than the next day. But I have not forgotten, won't settle till every debt's paid. Time changes, each man ages. And sometimes best friends become strangers. Each life's a book with blank pages. Last 10 years it's a chapter that's outrageous. Time changes, every man ages. And sometimes best friends become strangers. Tears, anger, and laughter, we can't change it. Listen to your hearts, we're protected by angels. You know, I got things on my mind. I'm not trying to make any, trying to not make up for anything. Look, let me make this clear, I don't regret my whole past. Can't believe how time flies, shit has gone by so fast. You let me in the secret world and that was quite an honor. And I admit that that's a life I thought I might have wanted. Probably have pursued it if I hadn't gotten caught up. But flags they started raising with these kids all getting shot up. And I became addicted to a drug that almost took my life. Looking back, that might have been the only thing that saved my life. I'm full of love now, I'm happy I don't harbor hatred. Pretty sure that's how God wants us, and to me that's sacred. I'm not sitting here judging and calling y'all some vagrants. And I'm not pointing fingers, questioning your occupations. I'm just hoping that the way I feel can shine some light. I know you got a good heart, dog, it's time to stop the fight. And let yourself become the man that you're supposed to be. I still believe in you, no matter what, you're always close to me. Time changes, each man ages. And sometimes best friends become strangers. Each life's a book with blank pages. Last 10 years it's a chapter that's outrageous. Time changes, every man ages. And sometimes best friends become strangers. Tears, anger, and laughter, we can't change it. Listen to your hearts, we're protected by angels. And I know becoming friends again ain't possible, at least for years. And fucking up for me is still a problem that I deeply fear. Only got a couple close friends now, that's how I like it. And I think I'm actually gonna make it, but I'm not a psychic. One of them's your brother, proud to say that he's my best friend. Come on, man, you guys are fucking brothers, let this shit end. It's sad to me to see the greed is still the devil's weapon. I tried my best to walk away from shit and kept stepping. Your brother's doing good, his heart is filled with love. And we gon' keep on building with these people that believe in us. Remember there was 4 of us, till death do us part. Now there's only 2 of us, the rest grew apart. It doesn't mean that I don't think about you too every week. And even if we never speak, there's still a bond I'll never leave. I hope you're happy and your family's doing awesome. And hope that you're still following the progress of the little monster. You had a hand in helping save my life, I won't forget. Let's live the next half with no regrets, cause it ain't over yet. Time changes, each man ages. And sometimes best friends become strangers. Each life's a book with blank pages. Last 10 years it's a chapter that's outrageous. Time changes, every man ages. And sometimes best friends become strangers. Tears, anger, and laughter, we can't change it. Listen to your hearts, we're protected by angels.
Like it shows, I'm an asshole after a few beers. It took so long for me to get my foot in the door. Worked hard going on tour till we couldn't no more. Drive around in a minivan, sleeping on the floor. Then eventually you move up to a bus, and everything is plush. Then you become a lush. You start start to whine and fuss. Fuck every girl you meet that has a crush. Your head starts getting big, you become a greedy pig. Star-studded diva, talking like a little kid, saying give me this, give me that, acting like a fucking brat. Like you don't know me, what the fuck you think you're looking at? I feel embarrassed as I'm sitting right and looking back, drinking Jack, Heineken's in both hands, crooked hat, smoke hanging out of my mouth, talking shit, obnoxious and cocky, like nothing can stop me. Took a while for me to finally figure this out. I actually thought that I was a bit better than everyone else. To all the people on the road that I treated like shit, I'd like to apologize to them for being a dick. Times change, I know that I'm strange. What's wrong with my brain? I'm just trying to keep it together. Asshole, I was such an asshole. That was in the past though. I'm just trying to keep it together. I tried staying grounded and some people found that I was down to earth. It sounds worse than it was, but I'm the first to admit that I'm the worst when I'm buzzed. And it's unfortunate cause I was drunk for every show. Was it fun? I'll never know, I don't remember too much, but I know I love what I do, so I'ma never give up. Anyways, we all know life has its peaks and valleys. Trying to reach my second peak, that's why I'm going back to Cali. Cause I've lost some momentum, life's different to me. The way I see things have changed quite significantly. I'm trying to get right within, I'm finally listening to me. I'll hopefully become the person that I wish I could be. Times change, I know that I'm strange. What's wrong with my brain? I'm just trying to keep it together. Asshole, I was such an asshole. That was in the past though. I'm just trying to keep it together. So what I'm saying is I've changed. Couldn't stand being the same, but it still seems I rub you the wrong way and you complain. People come up in the club asking me questions. If I don't have the right answers, that's the lasting impression. You don't understand, man, that's a lot of pressure. They walk away hating if I don't make them feel special. Look, you can't get to know anybody in 5 minutes in the club. Please don't tell me that I didn't show you love. I'm just having a drink, we can talk, it's no hassle. But if I don't look excited, then guess who's the asshole? Then you tell all your friends that Mad Child's conceited. We ain't supporting him no more, I guess that he don't need it. I'm not evil people, I treat everyone as equal. I might have had a bad day and I'm just trying to make a sequel. You can have your opinion, it's cool, I'm not suffering. But my fans are my friends and without them I'm nothing. Times change, I know that I'm strange. What's wrong with my brain? I'm just trying to keep it together. Asshole, I was such an asshole. That was in the past though. I'm just trying to keep it together. Times change, I know that I'm strange. What's wrong with my brain? I'm just trying to keep it together. Asshole, I was such an asshole. That was in the past though. I'm just trying to keep it together.
Look, hobby rapper, hell no. Getting the money, well no. Rep my town, love the yard, and kids love me, Elmo. Had to scrap for mine, they scream, throw elbows. Only fools that never still guess what? Pop, health, my dreams over drums and strings, people seem to like it. Always start poetry, but one day thoughts I might get a little conscious of my patterns, but never force a simile. If I'm not inspired, I don't write it. That's always me, my people got me. When all this drop me, catch me at these indie shows with hands up, Rocky. Down the bill for the cause, even on a Wednesday. Yeah, I make rap music, fuck what my friends say. Never care what they think, it's my heart, it's underground. Never hesitate to kick it free here at my town. So yeah, this is tax shit, kids in the back shit. Rapping no compromises, yeah, this is that
what
shit.
What they say, better say I put it down. Better say I'm hip hop, better say I rep my town. Matter of fact, fuck what they say unless they say that I do it my way. What they say, better say I put it down. Better say I'm hip hop, better say I rep my town. Matter of fact, fuck what they say unless they say that I do it my way.
Because of this here, I'll be here for eternity. So passing in the physical form, that ain't concerning me. Cause it occurred to me that when I write rhymes, I extend my lifeline to a length that's way longer than a lifetime. Get stronger every nice line, I just let my light shine. They ask me where I'm getting it from, I got a bright mind. It's like I'm able to bring daylight to the nighttime. And when I'm going as far as rhymes, I'm hoping they recite mine. The mic I'm connected with, don't bump it then respect the shit. Because I do it my way, don't feel it then take the highway like I do. Every time I chill with G and Skyway. A lot of bums stay frontin' for some dough. Ezel and Friday, but I stay doing me. Years deep pursuing dreams. Shout to Rockwell and ride. Nah, ain't on the losing team. And plus, of course, Bill is ill. And got a jack for beats. It made the slap that you know we all a kill it will.
What they say, but I say I put it down. They say I'm hip hop, but I say I rep my town. Matter of fact. Fuck what they say unless they say that I do it my way. What they say, but I say I put it down. But I say I'm hip hop, but I say I rep my town. Matter of fact. Fuck what they say unless they say that I do it my way.
Yo, I'm sorry, the Captain Clark and me had me acting improperly. Traveled across the rock, hell bent on crashing the party. Yeah, you probably saw me slashing and burning personal property. Apologies, not to be dramatic, just honestly, it's odd to me. You'd automatically call me scholarly, like you'd have to have a master's in geography to follow me all the way to Lusaka, surviving the dark economy. That's why they talk of the market collapse, never bother me. I got my eyes set on the summer, every part. Been hungry since summer was 74, and I ain't never starved. Pedal these petty fours, developed my skill set. Necessarily held a steady job to pay the bills. Kept perspective on success, I wish the best for my constituents. The world is yours and Grinches, make sure y'all leave it different. I done written every sentence I can for short attention spans. I'm moving on to bigger plans as businessmen. So what they say, shit, they say a lot of it. Thank you for the acknowledgement. Every diamond need polishing, so pardon my admonishment. But fuck what y'all say, stop talking and stay the hell up out of my way. What they say, but I say I put it down. But I say I'm hip hop, but I say I rep my town. Matter of fact, fuck what y'all say, unless you saying that I did it my way.
By now you should've at least blown. It's funny, I'm mad famous for being unknown.